Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kevin and we're finally back at SeaWorld Orlando for another Penguin Trek construction update. Let's go. SeaWorld's celebrating their 60th anniversary and they're decking out the entry plaza to have a lot of really cool decorations. Over at the construction site, a lot more of the footers have finally got their grouting. A lot of the bolts finally have their torque paint.
Why I know we're going to make great practice on the carpool or team drive. You're going to go left and I'll...
Looks like they're doing a lot of painting and finally fixing up the ice structure.
I know it ends at the penguin exhibit, so you can see the penguins when you get off.
The work walls that were in this area are now only for the ramp.
Probably.
Yes.
A lot more fencing has now gone in place by the final breaks. It is so weird to see this area with no construction walls. I will say, the way they fit this ride in, it's beautiful. Over by the far turn of Penguin Trek, they added a Dippin' Dot stand. It looks like they finished all the path work over on this end as well. Seems like most of the old haunted house is still there. Let's see if we can see anything new by the Sealion and Otter Stadium. Looks like 95% of the ride's grouting is finally complete. There's just a couple of areas that need a little bit more work. And conveniently enough, this is one of those areas. Looks like all the trap key gates are finally installed. Lots of scaffolding works happening inside the show building right by the first launch.
I'll go ahead and one at a time.
Alright friends, that's going to do it from SeaWorld Orlando. As you saw, there was a ton of progress over at the construction site today. Almost all of the grouting looks like it's basically complete now. All the fencing work is done, all the trap keys are in. It really honestly looks like they just have some little bit of electrical stuff, and then whatever they're doing on the inside of the show building left. It looks like everything on the outside is now finally complete, which is really awesome to see. But with all of that being said, I hope you like what you saw. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Take care. Bye.